slowly. Okay? Yeah. Applejack again. I'm not gonna open it with Applejack, so we're gonna give it away. We got something different. I think we got Twilight Sparkle. It's your favorite one. Who's your favorite? No. It's Mary. Mary? Is Mary your favorite? Here we go. Ooh, we got Mary again. Yeah, we're not opening it. Oh, it's the same one. We need to open it. We're just give it away. We got Fluttershy. We got Fluttershy. Yeah. Fluttershy. So cute. This time, please don't break her tail. Okay, we'll get a straw. Here, you can get a straw. Come here. You can just drink it with this. Ew, Fluttershy again. Fluttershy again. No, it's not just drinking. It's apple juice. We get Rarity again. No, no. Guess what we got? Guess what we got? Guess what we got? Yeah. Look at all of these. Okay, who would be six? I did a good job. I picked them all. They were all tiny. They're not little bees. Who's this? This is. No, I think it's Fluttershy again. Who's pink and yellow? It's Fluttershy again. This is Fluttershy again. We need pink. And we know that, right? And last one. Who do we have? We got Applejack again. So many Applejacks. Oh well, that makes me got